cos square x. So our first method differentiation, write in this way. First of all, write its equation, that is f dash x equal to f x plus h, again same equation, minus f of x divided by h. Now same way we want to find here x plus h, and we have only f of x, so replace x by x plus h equal to, so this cos square x becomes cos square x plus h. So cos square x plus h minus sign, right as it is, f of x value, that is cos square x, divide by h, right as it is. Now we want to simplify our numerator. Here cos square theta minus cos square theta 1. So ultimately we can write in this way, a square minus b square form. So we can write answer, that is a minus b and a plus b. So finally we can write cos a minus cos x, and second value, that is cos x plus h plus cos x, and divide by h value, that is as it is. So ultimately when we multiply our numerator, then we can get the answer here, a minus b into a plus b, the answer, that is a square minus b square. So this, in this way we can simplify our numerator first. Now just image here cos minus cos, and second term, that is cos plus cos. So our trigonometric equation, that is if cos minus cos, then we can write minus 2 sin sin, and when cos plus cos, we can write 2 cos sin. So in this way we want to simplify our numerator, that is our next step. So our next step, that is equal to cos minus cos becomes minus 2 sin alpha plus beta divided by 2. So we can write x plus h plus x, that is called alpha plus beta divided by 2, and second value, that is minus 2 sin again, that is alpha minus beta divided by 2. So we can write x plus h minus x divided by 2. So this is the first equation simplification, that is minus 2 sin. Now we want to simplify our next step, that is cos plus cos. So before simplify, just put it in bracket. Now we want to simplify our second one, that is in terms of multiply. Here cos plus cos, the simplification, that is 2 cos cos. So we can write 2 cos alpha plus beta divided by 2. So x plus h plus x divided by 2. So here 2 cos, and remaining value, that is again cos, that is alpha minus beta divided by 2, that is x plus h minus x divided by 2. Now time to more simplify. Here x plus x becomes 2x, and divide by 2, that becomes x only, and remaining value here h by 2. Here x and minus x cancel out. Here x plus x, that is 2x, divide by 2 becomes x, plus remaining term, that is only h by 2, and same way here plus x and minus x both are cancel out. So this is the simplification of our numerator. Now divide by h, that we can write next step, that is divide by h. Now again we want to simplify our numerator first, so we can write in this way. Here we can write limit h tends to 0. Here x plus x becomes 2x, and divide by 2 becomes only x. So remaining value, that is minus 2 sine x plus h by 2, and in second step only remaining value, that is sine h by 2. Bracket complete. And in second method, second step, that is 2 cos, same way, into 2 cos x plus x becomes 2x, and divide by 2, that becomes only x, and h by 2, that is right as it is, and here cos h by 2 only. Bracket complete both the step, that is in multiply, and write all divide by h as it is. Now our next step, just look at here. Here limit h tends to 0, here 2 cos h by 2 into cos h by 2. So again next step, that is adjust the h value, that is here h by 2, and we want to convert this h into divide by 2. So ultimately our aim to simplify the sin theta upon theta type value. So our next step, that is apply the limit and just match the angle from numerator side. So we can write limit h tends to 0. This limit applied to our first side, that is minus 2 sine x plus h by 2 into sine h by 2 into, because both the step are in multiplication, apply limit to second one, that is limit h tends to 0. Here remaining value, that is 2 cos x plus h by 2 into cos h by 2. Now just image here h we can write only one time only. So if we write here h in this way, because we do not require to adjust the angle of the cos, because when we apply the limit h tends to 0, the cos becomes 0, and 0 value, that is 1. But when we apply the h value here 0 to sine value side, so we require the adjust the sine angle only. So here h by 2, so same way we want to multiply with 2, and finally these 2 and these 2 are cancel out. So remaining value of the first step, that is sine minus sine x plus h by 2 into sine h by 2 upon h by 2. So when we apply the limit, then this sine theta upon theta becomes 1, and this h by 2 becomes 0 by 2. So remaining value when we apply the limit, that is minus sine x only, that is minus sine x multiply with 2, that is here 2, same way apply limit to here, so h by 2, so that is 0 by 2, so remaining value, that is only cos x, and apply the limit to last equation, that is cos h by 2, that is cos 0 by 2, that is cos 0, and cos 0, that is 1. So write our equation or arrange, that is minus first 2 first, minus 2 sin x into cos x. So we can write it equal to minus sin 2x. So finally we can get the answer, that is minus sin 2x. So we can write our answer, that is the answer of the differentiation of the cos square x, that is minus sin 2x. Now we move to our next question. Our next question, that is find the dy by dx. So using this dy by dx we can use any rule. So when do not specify any rule, then we can use our common rule for simplification for the dy by dx. So first sum, that is y equal to sin x into cos x. So first of all write it, y equal to sin x into cos x. So we want to find the dy by dx, and just check it out. Here first term multiply with second term, and both the term are in multiplication, so apply the multiplication rule for the dy by dx. So we can write dy by dx equal to first term as it is, that is sin x, differentiate the second term, so we can write dy of cos x plus second term as it is, and d by dx of first term, so d by dx of first term. Here write x. Now we want to differentiate cos x with respect to x, so differentiation of the cos x, the common rule, that is minus sin x, so we can write sin x cos x differentiation, that is minus sin x plus sin as it is, cos x as it is, differentiation of the sin x, that becomes cos x. Now you can take this is the answer, but if our answer that is more simplify, then our next step, that is minus side, that is come forward, and sin x into sin x, that is sin square x, plus sin as it is, cos x into cos x, you can say cos square x. Now you can say this is also answer, but if this step that is more simplify, then we can write, just flip the term, that is cos square x first and minus sin square x as a second. Now this is the common equation, a cos square x minus sin square x, the answer that is cos 2x. So this is also a answer, cos 2x. So cos 2x, that is our final answer. So we write our answer value, that is dy by dx equal to cos 2x. Now we move to our next question. Our next question, that is y equal to x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1. So first of all write it, y equal to x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1, and we want to find the dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to blank. Now just check it, here first value in numerator side, here second value in denominator side, both the value contain x, and we want to find the dy by dx, then apply the rule, that is division. So in division rule, write dy by dx equal to denominator term square, that is x square plus 1, that is square, write denominator term as it is, so x square plus 1 multiply with numerator term differentiation, that is d by dx of x square minus 1 minus numerator term as it is, that is x square minus 1, and denominator term differentiation, that is d by dx of x square plus 1. Now time to take a differentiation of the numerator, so here x square plus 1 as it is, now differentiation of the x square minus 1, so first of all differentiate x square and then differentiate 1, so x square differentiation multiply here, so multiply x square differentiation, that is 2x minus as it is, and differentiation of 1, that is 0, minus sign as it is, x square minus 1 as it is. Now again differentiation of the x square plus 1, then first differentiation of x square, and then second differentiation, that is 1. So multiply sign as it is, differentiation of x square, that is 2x, and differentiation of 1, that is nothing but 0, divide by x square plus 1 whole square. So x square plus 1 whole square. Now time to simplify our numerator. Here x square multiply with 2x, and here 1 multiply with 2x. So we can write in this way, equal to x square multiply with 2x. So 2x with x square multiplication, that is 2x cube. 1 multiply with 2x, so we can write plus 2x, write minus sign as it is in bracket. X square multiply again 2x, so result, that is 2x cube, and minus 1 multiply with 2x, the result, that is minus 2x, divide by x square plus 1 whole square as it is. Now again time to multiply this minus sign to our first term and second term. So we can write 2x cube plus 2x minus sign multiply with plus 2x cube, so result, that is minus 2x cube, and this minus sign multiply with minus, result, that is plus 2x, divide by x square plus 1 as it is whole square. Now just check it out. If you can simplify our numerator, then here plus 2x cube, here minus 2x cube, both are cancel out, and remaining value, that is here 2x and here 2x. So result, that is 2x plus 2x, that is 4x, divided by x square plus 1 whole square as it is.